सो इस वीडियो में हम लोग कुछ टर्मिनोलॉजी के बारे में और बात करने वाले हैं। जैसा कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो में बोला था कि हम लोग प्रोबेबिलिटी के बहुत सारी वीडियोस लेके आने वाले हैं ताकि आपको प्रैक्टिकली प्रोबेबिलिटी का कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ सके। तो मैं आपको एक बार रैंडम बता देता हूँ कि इस वीडियो में हम लोग किस चीज़ के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट, वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट सैम्पल स्पेस, वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज इवेंट, व्हाट इज म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट, व्हाट इज इक्वली लाइकली इवेंट्स एंड व्हाट आर इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स। इतनी चीज़ों के बारे में हम लोग इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। उमा सर, फर्स्ट एक्सप्लेन मी व्हाट इज रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट।
Yes, Jiten. Experiments are two types. One is deterministic experiment, another one is random experiment. Deterministic experiment means the result of the experiment is known in advance. All our scientific experiments like Ohm's law, all these are all, if two known values are there, one unknown value you can find out before doing the experiment also. They are all scientific experiments, they are all not random, they are deterministic experiments. Random experiment means the result of the experiment is not known in advance exactly. For example, if you toss a coin, can you say that what will be the outcome? You can say that
it can be head or tail.
You can say that either head or tail, but you cannot say that exactly what will be the outcome.
That is known as random experiment.
That is called random experiment.
So if I roll a dice like this, suppose if I roll dice like this, I know that on the top face what is the outcome, that we don't know.
That we don't know, but you
हमको
can.
ये पता है कि 1 2 3 4 5 6 से एक कोई एक होगा.
Yeah.
But we exactly don't know.
Exactly, you don't know what will be the outcome.
So
that is called random experiment.
Okay. That is next is what is sample space.
Sample space means, suppose if you throw a die, I got 3. Suppose if you toss, if you throw again, you will get 5. That means if you write all possible outcomes in this experiment, in this experiment, what are the different possible outcomes? Either 6 dots on the top of the face, or 5 dots, or 4 dots, or 3 dots, or 2 dots, or 1 dot. So all these possible outcomes, if you write in one set, that set is called sample space.
Okay.
That is the basic terminology of sample space.
जो मुझे समझ में आया है कि एक एक्सपेरिमेंट के जितने पॉसिबल आउटकम हो सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई टॉस अ कॉइन, तो पॉसिबल आउटकम क्या हो सकते हैं? हेड हो सकता है, टेल हो सकता है. तो हेड एंड टेल बिकम सैंपल स्पेस. इफ आई रोल अ डाइस, तो इसके टॉप फेस पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 हो सकता है. दैट बिकम सैंपल स्पेस.
Yes.
Accordingly, depending upon the problem, sample space will be different.
Yes, depending on the experiment.
Okay. So it is all possible outcome.
Yeah, all possible outcomes if you write in one set. That set is called sample space.
Okay. Now what is event?
Event means subset of sample space is called event.
Okay.
For example, in throwing the experiment, sample space is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Suppose if one dice is thrown, in that sample space I got phase 2. Phase 2 is one event.
Okay.
Suppose if you throw a dice, if you are getting odd number, getting of odd number is one event. So subset of sample space is called event.
Okay.
Suppose getting of prime number, one event. Getting of even number, one event. Like that, you can define n number of, you can define any subset of your sample space as an event.
So what I have understood is ki if I roll a dice, what is my sample space? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this one, getting 1, getting 2, getting 3, getting 4, these are the events.
These are all events.
So can I say that if I combine all the event, it becomes sample space?
Yeah, if you combined all the events, you can say sample space. Suppose the sample space, from the sample space only you are going to get different subsets.
Okay.
So every subset is an event.
What is mutually exclusive event?
Mutually exclusive event. Mutual exclusive event means disjoint event. Sir, what is disjoint? Disjoint means For example, this is one dice. I am throwing this dice. If I throw this dice at random, so now getting of even number and odd number simultaneously never come. So, for example, if I toss a coin, like this, so can you get both head and tail simultaneously?
No, we will get either head or tail.
That's why the intersection is impossible. So in one random experiment, A and B are two possible outcomes. Suppose if simultaneously A and B never appears, those two events are known as mutually exclusive.
Suppose if I roll a dice, so if I will get 1, I will not get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
If I will get 2, I will not get 1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes,
if I get 3, I will not get 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 like that.
Yes.
So they become mutually exclusive.
Mutually exclusive.
So two events, if they cannot occur simultaneously
in one experiment,
then
they are called mutually exclusive.
दो अगर चीजें एक साथ नहीं हो सकती, जैसे अगर कॉइन उछाले तो या तो हेड आएगा या टेल आएगा, तो ये म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव हो गया. डाइस रोल किया तो या 1 आया, 2 आया, 3 आया, तो 2 आ गया तो 3 नहीं आ सकता, 4 नहीं आ सकता, तो ये म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट हो गया. मींस बोथ द आउटकम कैन नॉट अकर
simultaneously. That is.
Next, sir, what is equally likely event?
Equally likely means the name itself there is a meaning. They likely to occur with equal chance. For example, in tossing coin, हेड के लिए 50% चांस है, टेल के लिए 50% चांस है. Chances of two events are equal in one random experiment. Those two events are known as equally likely.
जो मुझे समझ में आया है कि जब हम जैसे मान लो एक कॉइन को टॉस करते हैं, राइट, तो अगर आपसे जितना चांस हेड का आने का है उतना ही टेल का है. जैसे मैं डाइस को रोल करूं, राइट, तो जितना प्रोबेबिलिटी 2 आने का है उतना ही 4 आने का है, उतना ही 5 आने का है, उतना ही 6 आने का. किसी का प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा नहीं है. अगर मैं डाइस थ्रो कर रहा हूँ, 1 भी आ सकता है, 2 भी आ सकता है, 3 भी आ सकता है, 4 भी आ सकता है, 5 भी आ सकता है, 6 आ सकता है, और इनके आने की संभावना बराबर है. दैट इज
equally likely.
Okay, what is independent events?
Independent. Generally, students have a lot of confusion between mutually exclusive events and independent events. See, mutually exclusive events are the events defined on a single random experiment. In a single toss of a coin, chance of getting head and tail are equally likely, and both head and tail are mutually exclusive. Simultaneously, they never occur. But independent events are the events which are defined on 2 or 3 random experiments. 2 random experiments.
Suppose we are tossing 2 coins simultaneously.
2 coins simultaneously.
Then we can get head on both.
Suppose head on both. Chance of getting head on first coin is not affected by second coin. They won't talk each other, na? If you toss a coin, 2 coins simultaneously, there is a possibility of head on first coin. There is a possibility of head on second coin. Both the coins are showing heads. So this head is not affected by that head is not affected by this head. Both the coins are independent. So occurrence of one event or non-occurrence of one event is not affected by other event. Those two events are called independent.
Exactly. So I hope कि आपने इस वीडियो के थ्रू रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट, सैंपल स्पेस इवेंट, म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट, इक्वली लाइकली इवेंट्स और इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट को शानदार तरीके से समझ लिया होगा. कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अगले टॉपिक के साथ.